That is success. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has the largest following in the world. That is success. That's not like, actually I don't know these names. Maybe Bassett knows these names. He's a historian. You know, all these movie stars and all these dancers and models and all these people you see on social media and on television. You see, a lot of people look at them and think that is success. They got millions of views. Millions of views on social media does not make you successful. Millions of views on social media does not mean that you're successful. Yeah? No, it doesn't mean so. It doesn't mean that. They may be successful in their own mind and in their own career, but success in the world, not at all. And I only remember J-Lo, Jennifer Lopez, because, I see that name all the time. But all these other people, you boys know these names more than I just can't remember because I don't really get into that. I'm supposed to keep track, but got more important things to keep track of. But that is not success. Because if you check the background of their life, there's a lot of complications and problems. They got more stressed and in more depression than you and I. That's success in their world, but not in the world. There's a difference in what you think is your world as to the real world. Being a leader like Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that is success. Having the most leaders, listen,